my name is Krisha Sedani and I'm a final year undergraduate at the University of Birmingham, and I joined Bennett University for their summer school this summer. Overall, my experience was amazing. I definitely enjoyed my time. I felt so welcomed in the hostel I was staying in, to all the classes I was having and all the trips that were planned for us. Well, one thing that could have been because of the summer school was that the classes were definitely smaller, and that gave me the chance to ask questions and gain more focused answers. Whereas in the University of Birmingham, you have lecture halls full of hundreds of people where you can't ask questions as the lecturer is giving their lecture. So that's one thing I really enjoyed. I also enjoyed having activities, for example, the client counselling activities, where I, for example, played the role of a client and I had to act as if I'm a client in a scenario and I'm asking for some compensation from my lawyers. That's something that I really enjoyed doing, and we were able to do that because we were in such a small group where the teachers were trying to give us the most practical experience possible. They were very accommodating to our choices. I really enjoyed the food here, and even the head of the kitchen came out and asked us if everything was okay, if it was too spicy for us, if we wanted anything else, and I felt really welcomed and as if everyone was really trying to cater towards our needs. I think there was a correct ratio of trips to teaching. I enjoyed the fact that we were given the opportunity to have work experience as well. That was amazing, as work experience is so hard to get nowadays. So overall, I really enjoyed the experience. And one thing I would say is, in the opening ceremony, the dean said that a guest is like a god, so we will all be treating you so well, treating you like gods, and I 100% felt like that. Everyone was so welcoming to us, and anything we wanted would almost always be met, and everyone would try and make us feel at home. From all the students here, the PhD scholars, to all the teachers and the deans, they really made us feel special and took time out to ask how we were and to actually get to know us. So that's one thing I did not expect, because it was so amazing, it was so welcoming.